Notre Dame College, high school, and I've been here for 2 months now. I'm kind of just trying to learn things, trying to like discover what path I want to go down. Like I'm not really sure if I'll become a mechanic, but I don't know, it's something to learn, just try and do. I'd like to go into like a trade, you know. So I thought I'd start here, try something. My uncle actually was working here before I applied for my co-op, and then he left shortly before I came here, but I was like anything with a motor and wheels really, so I like seeing all kinds of different ways that they're built or things I can fix.